Questions. It is commonly believed that if you are able to explain information in the most effective manner, you are a good communicator and facilitator. However, key to effective communication is engagement. An effective facilitator is someone who speaks for 30% of the time and listens for 70% of the time. Otherwise, you can imagine how boring this training would be if only the facilitator was talking the whole time and the participants kept on listening quietly. But if you have tried to start a conversation with groups or even individuals, you would know that it is not easy for people to speak to you, so you may listen. The real trick is to get people to talk. The easiest and most effective way to get people to speak is to ask questions. You would hear basic questions around what, why, when, where, who, and how. Different types of questions will serve different purposes. You may categorize questions broadly into two categories. These are close-ended questions that have many small responses or only a yes or no kind of response, or open-ended questions where the answer is very detailed and can be explained at length. Close-ended questions are like a knock on the door to get the listener's attention. For example, do you like the video? Or did you understand why maize seeds need to be treated? The response would generally be a yes or a no, or perhaps a short answer with a name. Can you think of a close-ended question you recently heard? Now, an open-ended question is the one that will help you understand the state of mind of the listener or assess their understanding. It is like opening the door. For example, why should we treat the maize seed before sowing? Or why have you come to this training? This will give you a deep insight about the speaker and will help you engage with them. It will also help you understand their state of mind, their interest, or challenges. Can you think of an open-ended question you heard recently? Both close-ended and open-ended questions have their own importance and need to be asked at the right time. However, if you want to really engage with your audience and be effective in facilitation, you should ask a lot of open-ended questions. For example, ask a close-ended question. Did you understand the type of questions? And once you have a yes or a no response, you dig deeper by asking, what are the different types of questions and their purpose? This is how the right use of questions can get the audience talking and therefore make an interesting conversation that is participatory and engaging. It also helps the audience to correlate with the topic of discussion, give their inputs, and feel respected and appreciated for being heard.